Hey, what's up guys? This is Francis here. Today we're taking a look at the ASICS Novablast. This is the black sheetrock colorway. It is one of the new ones, part of the PixelNoise collection. Let's take a look. Alright, so getting to what's inside the box. Definitely this shoe is one of the more unique shoes that I've ever seen. First thing that pops up right out the box is that thundering red yellow lightning bolt. That is a small accent on the shoe that absolutely makes this shoe look ridiculous. Another thing that catches your eye right out the box when you see it is that heel. That fade from black to yellow. It looks absolutely insane. Alright, so looking at the material of the shoe, as you can see in the middle portion, there is a transparent part of the shoe where it is a little bit plasticky, but on the front and back of the shoe where there is this hatch pattern that is made of this knit type of material that almost feels like you're wearing a sock. Alright, so the main reason here is how does this shoe look on your feet? This shoe just speaks for itself. I honestly don't have to say much. It does come with this flight foam technology for the cushion, similar to what the previous Novablast came with. The only difference between this one and the old one probably would be the fabric. This one comes in a knit version. Besides that, the only difference here would be the colorway. The PixelNoise collection is definitely going to be making more noise than any other shoe with how unique it is. Gotta give props to ASICS for whoever is designing the shoe. They all look absolutely amazing. There's 3 different colorways for men and women, so find the one that fits you the best. Leave a thumbs up if you found this helpful. Thanks for watching. Peace.